Hello friends, today I have made the plan to make video on separate place. I have changed the location, you can see in background. But here is the problem that when I am speaking, before this I was making another video for my Potwari language channel. I have I have more other channels. So I have the problem is that perhaps this is the mosquito breeding place, and during my conversation mosquito is biting me, and sometimes at my back, sometimes on my sitting on my hand, and just I have killed one mosquito because I suddenly saw that mosquito. So I think that environment is peaceful, but one thing is disturbing me, that is the mosquito. And you know that if more mosquito bites you, then there are the chances of fever. You may fall ill. But you know that in village area there are so many mosquitoes on each and every day biting the people, and people are doing their routine work. And just one mosquito perhaps biting me, I am feeling the bites, but I have to make this video for some time, for some minutes. From this point I have noted that we should take care of our health. How can we should take care of our health? Because when it is summer season, there is too much mosquitoes around our house, and that mosquito sometimes, you know that due to the shortage of electricity, this is the problem, another problem in our society, that we don't find electricity at night time, and you know that without fan when you sleep, then mosquito have open opportunity to attack on you, to bite on you. Mosquito come near to your hair and sings, and you become disturbed. So I think that one should make precautionary measures to escape from mosquitoes bite. Otherwise our children, our family member may fall ill, and when you will become ill, then there are so many other problems. You are not able to make videos, just I'm making videos. You are not able to go out to earn some money or to do your routine work. So I think this is my suggestion. From this point I have noted when mosquito was biting me, and I thought that I should talk on this topic so that people should take care of their health. And when you will take care of your health, there are some mosquito there are nets. You can use mosquito nets during night time, but still even when you use a mosquito net, a mosquito enters inside the net, then that single mosquito disturb you throughout the night. So there should be good arrangements in your home, and if you have the electricity, then you can run fan, and with the fan the mosquito go away. But when electricity is not, and then again mosquito attacks. So according to your environment, arrange something to escape, to avoid mosquito bites. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.